Kulintan Muslim place to make a special request, a special asking, isang hiling para na sa kapayapaan sa Mindanao. Special asking for our brothers and sisters in Mindanao, because there is a lot of violence going on, and many times it is not publicized in the news and the media, but we know that there is a lot of things going on. So let us ask from the depths of our hearts for a great peace to start happening in Mindanao. Ang Kulintan Muslim Group.
No more!